Everyone do your favorite Fortnite dance.
This is your ball sacks. You produce less sperm.
This is bullshit. It's just you're lazy.
It's not a conversation you should be recording.
So we're at this cliff jumping park, and we're just the car might be boned. It's like an hour away from our house. Not good. When video picks up smells, the internet is gonna be insane. Wow, real big run up, Miles.
Yeah, I don't want to push us in. We're just gonna jump.
No, you had the camera.
I think I tried after that.
Are we going together?
No, just go.
No, you said, are we going?
Well, you can go together.
You should hold hands. Go, Ethan.
No, I'm
You don't want to jump?
These are actually sissies. This is not high. I want to go home, but I don't want to drive my car.
I run, but I want to slip.
You won't slip.
I could slip.
Yeah, if you're an idiot.
What if I'm an idiot?
You have to have mule foot feeding.
Okay, I'm doing a 3, 2, 1.
Already cold.
3, 2, 1, go. Now you. Miles, go. It doesn't even hurt.
It's fun to dive.
Yeah.
No.
That was actually a good dive. See, it doesn't hurt.
Hey, Mac, now you're coming.
That was probably 8 out of 10. Your feet just need to stay a little straighter. Send it.
Yeah!
Front flip or something off of it.
Back flip.
Sure. You are impolite, Miles.
I said sorry.
Yeah, still inconsiderate. Yeah. Hell yeah, let's go!
Nice, your turn.
You're on point 5. Once again, Tip. You're on point 5. Once again, Tip. You're on point 5. Once again, Tip.
One. You're almost there.
It's too slimy.
There's a rock here.
Why don't you just put your foot on the rock?
Oh, hey. It's like a puzzle.
It's not. It's just a picture that you just.
It's like a dumb person puzzle.
Yeah. There's like a perfect hand grab for your right hand. Gotta be able to support myself though.
So, I just need a towel. I can record you doing it. Huh?
Miles is a. Oh, I almost fell.
All right.
Should I jump right into this rock? Dude, wall run.
Yeah. Oh yeah, wall run. Okay. Yeah.
Dude, your hand's shaking like an MF.
They're not now. There we go.
Says me.
Mannequin challenge.
Mannequin challenge, guys. You can literally just climb over these fucking rocks.
No, dude, it says restricted. Oh, only right here? Okay. Only this 1 foot.
No, that rock that
Wait.
there's like the malaria outbreak.
Well, mosquitoes spawn from the water.
Spawn from the water.
Spawn from my ass
frogs?
crack.
They don't.
Mosquitoes? Yeah, they do.
They don't come from the water. They come from in the water.
Well, they're standing water.
Is that recording, Eric? Yeah. I bet. Yeah. Everyone do your favorite Fortnite dance.
The floss? We turned to a fucking.
Cameron's gonna love this.
Something like that. Miles! Is this a fucking bathroom?
Yeah. He's right. The world is the man's bathroom. That's dope, Ethan. Thanks for sharing.
Follow awareness.
Heading back to the car, hoping we can get home safe because on the way here, it's making a really weird rattling sound. We're like an hour and 30 minutes away. Wonderful.
I hope you crash.
I hope we die.
Good content.
That'd be good clickbait.
We literally die. I plan on living forever. So far I'm doing good.
You get in the car?
Guys, I lost the keys.
You didn't lose the keys. You just dropped them.
These bugs. The camera's filming.
Okay. I don't think it is. It could be.
Yes, it's filming.
Okay. Can I get my phone out of your bag?
Front pocket.
Yeah.
I swear to.
4 texts from your mom.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're lying. Holy shit, there's so many.
Yes, I am.
I'm sick of all these bugs.
Sick of your attitude, Mac.
Sorry, I just really hate mosquitoes. Yeah, Muskie Festival. Up in Shell Lake. Dude, you should have tips with egg noodles.
Hi. They were
You're
dry.
gonna stain that.
Dry.
They ain't dry.
Apps and zerts. Oh, those, I know what you're
Like
talking about.
filet
Cake.
mignon, Oreos, and like fudge one. You gotta stop opening the shit, man.
What are you doing?
I mean, the camera's still recording.
I am saying that.
All right, now we're gonna head back home, hoping the car fully functions.
It's not. We're gonna die. Fully expect that.
Here, Miles, you should film.
I don't really know how to describe how it sounds.
It just sounds like a bunch of rattles.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.